welcome to another video by PageFly. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the comparisons between Shopify Online Store 2.0 and the number one Shopify page builder, PageFly. As you may know, during a live event on June 29th, 2021, called Shopify Unite, Shopify demonstrated several updates and changes, including what it termed Online Store 2.0. Further to that, Shopify has rebuilt one of the most important areas of its online store, which is themes and the online editor. But how impactful is it? And to be more specific, how is it actually different from Shopify page builders? In this video, I will try creating a product page using Shopify Online Store 2.0 and PageFly, and then we'll analyze the differences together. Now, let's get to it. Here I am on the Shopify admin dashboard. I'm gonna go to Online Store. In the themes settings section, we're gonna scroll down and find the Dawn theme. Currently, Shopify Online Store 2.0 is only available with Dawn theme, but it is expected that other theme providers will get the themes ready with Online Store 2.0 soon. Here we're gonna click on Actions, Publish, hit the Publish button again, and the theme has been published. Now we're going to scroll up, click on Customize. Here we are at the Shopify Online Store editor. At the first glance, it looks like a real page builder setting panel. You can have the settings for the announcement bar, for the header, for the nested section, for the footer, basically anything and everything. Now we're going to switch to the products and default product page. Here we're going to take a closer look at what the Shopify Online Store 2.0 is capable of. So now here we have the product information section. You can see that we can basically edit all the available elements here. You can edit the text. We can edit the title. No customizable settings available. Price. All of these must be done at the Shopify admin dashboard. But the thing is, you can choose to add some more blocks if you wish to. You can add text, collapsible tab, and pop-up, which basically falls into the category of theme blocks. Here we have the product recommendations section. The cool update about Shopify Online Store 2.0 is that you can actually add a lot of sections and blocks to your liking, and you can even change the position of each section. For example, I'm gonna move the product recommendations section upward, and that can be reflected real time in the page here. If you want to discover a section more, you can click on the arrow and then you can see the drill down info. So overall, in comparison with a traditional Shopify editor, this Shopify Online Store 2.0 can actually help you add a lot more sections and a lot more elements. But then again, you will have a lot of difficulty figuring out the customization feature for your settings. Um, and another thing is that all of these features are limited to available theme features. Some themes have a countdown timer and some don't. Some have slideshow, some don't. Online Store 2.0 at its very essence is the same old wine in a new bottle. Now, let's see what we can do with the page builder, PageFly. Now, back at the Shopify admin dashboard, I'm going to go to Apps, PageFly. Now, here we are at the PageFly admin dashboard. We're going to go to Product Pages, create a new page. Now, for the start, I would highly recommend you choose the template that fits you the most. In this situation, I'm going to go for Gen Setter, which is my all-time favorite page template for a product page. I'm going to go to the page template here, search for Gen Setter. Here is it. Now click on it, select this template. Now for this template, we actually have quite a beautiful preset of product details, information section, and the product list. But actually we can make some necessary changes if we wish to. Now, for example, I'm going to go to product details, select a product. I'm going to go with this one. Very nice. And let's see what we can do with these product details. For example, with the add to cart button, we can change the button text. For example, I'm going to change it to add. For the animation, we can make it bounce a little bit and appear backward when mouse over. For this information section, we can use some media like the images and the videos to tell an extended story about the product. Here we have the video, but we can actually add some image if we wish to here. Just do some simple drag and drop, and that will be it. Now, for the text, we can actually make a lot of adjustments here. For example, I'm going to change the font family for the text, or make some changes to the font size. Quite nice, isn't it? And for the standard product page, we really need a section for product suggestions. So for this, I can choose to display all products. I think we're good to go. Now let's view the page that we just created. So that's it for today. If you wish to see more videos from PageFly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or drop in at pagefly.io. Thank you very much and have a good day.
This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.